Peppermint oil, I've talked about it before. It's a proven anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, and it actually kills bacteria that causes bad breath. Hello and welcome back to SMILEBOX. I'm your host, Dr. Brigitte White, and I'm here to help you reach your smile goal one product at a time. All right, today we're going to talk about a toothpaste that doesn't have any fluoride. I know. You guys know I'm a fan of fluoride. I mean, I'm a practicing dentist. Of course, I'm a fan of fluoride. But this paste does have some good properties. So I'm going to talk to you about it in a minute. But first, I need to ask you to subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you click that subscribe button below and ring the bell so you don't miss an upload. As usual, I'm also going to talk about a product that's going to end up in my SMILEBOX, so you want to make sure that you sign up for the giveaway. Every month I'm giving away a toothpaste, a mouth rinse, a toothbrush, and a flosser. So if you need to sign up for my SMILEBOX giveaway, head on over to my website, drbrigittewhite.com, and you can sign up right now. All right, so back to our topic. Today we're going to talk about the Jason brand PowerSmile whitening paste. Okay, PowerSmile. You know what? I actually believe Jason brand when they made this PowerSmile, it's because this toothpaste is very powerful. It's strong, okay? Now, this toothpaste has a list of natural ingredients. It's free of sulfates, it doesn't have any additives, and it does not have fluoride. But one ingredient that this toothpaste does have is it has peppermint oil. And so peppermint oil, I've talked about it before, it's a proven anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, and it actually kills bacteria that causes bad breath. So we know that our essential oils found in nature, the menthol, the eucalyptus, and the peppermint have antimicrobial properties. And so peppermint alone, when you see peppermint oil in a product, you know that it's going to do something great for your oral care. And so that ingredient in this Jason PowerSmile powerful peppermint toothpaste it's actually like a secret treasure. So when I first saw this on the aisle, I bought this at Whole Foods. I'm going to put a link below so you guys can pick it up. I saw this and I thought, fluoride-free, you know, blah, blah, blah. I don't really want to delve into that. But then I read more about it, and I was actually satisfied to see that there are some ingredients in this toothpaste that do make it a tooth-friendly and oral health tool. Additionally, it's sweetened with the stevia plant. It has bamboo powder, and bamboo is a known antimicrobial, and it also has sodium bicarbonate, which is an abrasive. So it cleans our teeth and removes that surface debris so they do appear brighter. All right, so thanks so much for tuning in to SMILEBOX. I hope that I've answered some questions. You know, the products on the market, sometimes they are confusing, and we want to read our labels carefully. And I always encourage you to discuss this with your dental team. Talk to your hygienist, talk to your dentist, and make sure that you're finding products that are going to help you meet your smile goal. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.